The black sky was dripping a billion pinpricks of light. A waning half moon dipped in the west, chased by the dawn. The dirt was cool beneath me, the grass dry and waiting for the rain. I thought about life and the dreams and falling of men, and the dreams and falling of men. The dawn began to break, stars flickered and slowly disappeared. A nightjar called her last, I turned to face the sun. The sky was burning gold, I listened to the changing of the guard. I smiled at the morning and the dreams and falling of men, and the dreams and falling of men. The world came alive, the springtime breathing life. I stood up and stretched, it was time to leave the dark behind. My legs were stiff and sore, growing stronger as they walked into the light. Fed by my soul,